very good morning everyone. I welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today I am here to discuss PT1 periodical 1 test of your science so that you should be clear about your mistakes and what should you have done instead of those answers which you are incorrect of yours. Clear? So let's start. The question 1 was draw the diagram of parts of plant. Diagram I have sent you many times, 3 to 4 times in your WhatsApp group also, as well as I have uploaded on RKP app also. In diagram, first of all, your drawing should be proper. Secondly, labeling should be proper. Many of the students don't even know what do you mean by label the diagram. Label the diagram means better to write the names of each and every part of the diagram. First of all, there are two parts of plant: root system and shoot system. In root system you have to label the roots, and in shoot system stem, branch, leaf, flower, bud and fruit. I hope you all have done it very well, and if you have not done, you have to practice it again and again. Next question was write 4 differences between living things and non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Living things beta means the things which live their life. Non-living things which do not live, which cannot live on also. Fine. So differences between living things and non-living things is, first is living things grow and develop. Non-living things do not grow and develop. Living things can move on their own. No one has to apply force to move them. But non-living things cannot move on their own. Living things breathe, means they need air to live. They take in air and give out air. Non-living things do not breathe. Fourth, non-living things need food and water, but non-living things do not need food and water. Clear? So this was your written test, and next was your online test. Let us discuss that. The first question of your online test is dash trap insects in their leaves and eat them. Which of these plants trap insects in their leaves and eat them? The answer is pitcher plant. The answer is pitcher plant. Second question, which of these living things lay eggs? The question is, the options are snakes, crocodiles, frog, or all of these. The answer is all of these. All of these living organisms lay eggs and then they reproduce. By laying eggs, they reproduce. Next, butterflies feel through. Like we have done differences between living things and non-living things. One more difference is living things feel and react. Non-living things do not feel. So they are asking butterflies feel through. The options are wings, antennae, wind, or none of above. We have done that insects breathe through antennae. The answer is antennae. Next, the things like sun, water, mountains are called dash. Non-living things, natural things, man-made things. The answer is natural things. Next, leaves of dash plants close when touched. Rose, sunflower, mimosa, or Venus flytrap. The answer is mimosa. Next, the tiny holes present on the leaves of a plant are called air holes, stomata, lungs, or gills. The answer is stomata. Stomata are the tiny holes present on the leaves of the plants through which leaves breathe, means take in gases as well as give out gases. Next, 7th question, birds and insects fly with the help of legs, fins, tail, or wings. The answer is wings. Next, dash is the biggest animal on the earth. Blue whale, cheetah, giraffe, or lion. The answer is blue whale. Next, 9th question, what do living things do? First, they all play badminton, they all go to school, they all sleep, or they eat food and drink water. The option is they need food and water, means eat food and drink water. Next, the 10th question, Which of the following is a characteristic of a non-living thing? First, non-living thing eat and drink water. Non-living things does not breathe. Non-living things grow and develop. And non-living thing have certain lifespan. Lifespan means certain age. So the correct answer is non-living thing does not breathe. Non-living thing does not breathe. Next question. A sunflower always turns towards the sun. This shows that plants grow or plants are living things. Plants show movement or sunflower is a trapping plant. Sorry, sunflower is trapping sunlight. What does the turning of sunflower towards sunlight shows? It shows that plant show movement. Means we have done that living things move on their own. If we talk about plants, plants are also living things, but they cannot move from one place to another, but they show various types of movements. That is why this characteristics is included in the living things. Next, 12th question. Deer breathe through lungs, nose, air holes or gills? The answer is lungs. Next, dash means to make other things like itself. Means name the process by which living things make their, means one more thing they will make like themselves only. Grow, live, reproduction or living things? The answer is reproduction. Means to make one more individual of its own kind. Next, dash helps us to sense or feel changes. Us means human beings. How? Ear, eyes, skin or all of the above? The answer is all of the above, because we feel the changes around us with the help of our sense organs, and eyes, ears and skin, all three are our sense organs. Next, 15th question. Which of the following does not reproduce? Fish, humans, toys or insects? The answer is toys, because toys are non-living things. They cannot reproduce. Reproduce means to produce of their own kind. Next, 16th question. What does a living thing breathe in? Means which gas they need to breathe in? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen or hydrogen? The correct answer is oxygen. Next, plants make their food with the help of sunlight, air, water or all of the above? The correct answer is all of the above, because plants need carbon dioxide gas, water, sunlight and chlorophyll to prepare the food. Next, 18th question. Plants shed their leaves in dash season? Plants shed their leaves in autumn season. 19th question. 19th question is, beta, why do animals move? First option, they do not need someone to pull or push. They move for carbon dioxide gas. They feel cold, that's why they move. Or they move from one place to another in search for food or water. The answer is they move here and there for food and water, because they have to find out. Non-living things do not need food, sunlight, but they need water. Is it true or false? It is false. Non-living things do not need water also. So with this we have finished the discussion of PT. I hope you all have listened all the answers and explanation of the answers. With this, all the doubts should be clear, but if you are having any doubt still, you can ask in the class. Okay, so with this I finish this video. I hope you all have listened it carefully. Okay.